Well, as I was leaving the military, I was searching for a career that provided stability, and I've always enjoyed tinkering on vehicles and everything, so I decided to kind of dive in and fix the big things. I've thought for the past couple of years that I might be a diesel technician, but I was looking more towards trains, and I decided to give the semis a try, and I really enjoy it. It's a good career to follow in. Diesel engines is great. You got to completely disassemble an engine and put it back together, and you got to see if you could make it run or not. Brake systems, the complexity of brakes on a semi truck it's incredible. So I really enjoyed brakes and diesel engines the most, probably. All the instructors here are super kind. They're willing to dive in and help you anytime you have any questions, as long as you're asking questions. The amount of vast knowledge that they all can obtain and are willing to share with you it's incredible. But the thing is, it's another one of those you have to reach out and try and get help with it. The instructors here provide excellent lectures, but when you really get out there and get to practice what they're teaching you, that's when you gain the knowledge. I've excelled in my career already in my first year. I went and I got to compete in the national competition down in North Carolina. I mean, the amount of opportunities that the school provides to you, it's unheard of. I went down and I competed in the national competition, and UPS sponsors people to go there. They didn't sponsor me this year, but I had gotten word that they were looking at sponsoring me to go back next year. And with that, I decided I would look into UPS as a company in a whole, and they looked phenomenal. So I went to career services and told them I wanted to work for UPS, and they set up my interview and everything. I went in, everyone helped me get ready here. There's almost not a career that's more stable than the diesel field. They're always looking for techs anywhere you go, so, especially around Indianapolis. This is kind of like the center hub of the diesel world. I've already spoken to management and everything. I plan to, within the next couple of years, getting into management in a shop so that I can move up. No matter how hard it gets, do not give up. Make sure that you do your work and show up on time every day, because you don't get all the opportunities if you're going to be late. One of the biggest things that your employers are going to be looking for is your attendance, and they actually look into it. So make sure you're here. I would definitely recommend Lincoln Tech for the diesel field. You're not going to get any more hands-on learning things, but you can't be scared to get dirty.